thought I would bring tech and AI into the sports world. I'm Varun. I'm studying information science at the School of Computing and Information.
My name is Vincent Niedermayer, and I study applied mathematics and computer science. At the Kick, I was able to work with the head coach of the Pitt diving team to make a solution that now is deployed and every single diver at Pitt Diving is using to track their metrics. The problem that Pitt Diving was facing, every single practice session that Coach Katie was a part of, she would spend an hour or 2 or 3 on Excel manually inputting all the data from how the divers did to deliver improvements and suggestions to the divers.
They had the sheets where they would mark their dive performance. Their coach, she would take the pictures of the sheets and manually enter everything in an Excel sheet and then try to have some charts on it.
We completely automated that process. We were able to make a diving analytics platform that worked with their pre-existing workflow of already taking images with her phone. Instead of to a person who'd input to Excel, we sent to an AI agent that extracted all of the data from those images and put it in a regularized format that we were able to use to make visualizations and suggestions to improve the Pitt diving team.
With the AI, we are saving about 10 to 15 hours a week of her time, which she can now focus on training athletes more than having sheets. The reason we included large language model, or people call it AI, is that as a part of the Kick, our mission is that we want to build projects that are open source, easily accessible and adaptable by other people, other teams, anybody in the world. And having AI to extract all this information really helps us to achieve this motive, because with just one change in prompt, any sports team can make use of this tool. Since I was 10 years old, I have been playing badminton, and I also was a state champion back in India. It really makes me proud that I'm able to contribute to Pitt's athletics. With this project, I can really say that it's possible at Pitt.